Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camp stoves for car camping that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend camping trip or looking for a reliable stove for your outdoor cooking needs, this guide has you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Portable Folding Camp Stove by Seekoli. This compact and lightweight unit is designed with portability in mind, making it a great choice for solo adventurers or small groups. Its foldable design allows you to save precious space in your gear, and it's easy to set up and pack away. The unique windproof stove head ensures a steady flame even in challenging outdoor conditions, which is a clear benefit for cooking during windy days. The build quality is solid, featuring stainless steel construction that adds durability while keeping the weight down to just 2 pounds. However, it's worth noting that the stove uses ethylene glycol fuel, which may not be as readily available as propane or butane. This could limit its practicality for some users. It's ideal for individual use, such as boiling water or cooking small meals, but it doesn't have the power or capacity needed for more extensive cooking tasks. While it's not the most versatile or powerful option on our list, the Seekoli stove is a decent choice for hikers and campers prioritizing portability. Its compact design and windproof feature are definite strengths, but the limited fuel compatibility and smaller cooking surface make it less suitable for larger groups. This is a niche product that works best for lightweight backpacking rather than car camping. Pros: compact, lightweight, windproof design. Cons: limited fuel compatibility, smaller cooking surface. Coming in at number 4 is the Ogre 2-burner foldable camping stove with griddle. This model stands out with its unique dual-function griddles, one side textured for grilling meats, and the other smooth for more delicate foods like eggs or pancakes. This versatility makes it a great option for campers who want to whip up a variety of meals while outdoors. It offers 10,000 BTUs of total cooking power and adjustable heat controls for precision cooking. Plus, the push-button piezo ignition eliminates the need for matches. In terms of design, the Ogre stove folds down to a compact size and comes with a convenient carrying bag, which adds to its portability. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, and the windproof design ensures reliable performance in outdoor conditions. However, with only 10,000 BTUs total, the heat output is on the lower side compared to other models on this list, which may lead to slower cooking times for larger meals. Overall, the Ogre 2-burner foldable camping stove is a solid, mid-range option for car campers who value versatility and portability. It's perfect for small families or groups, but its lower heat output and the need for an additional adapter for butane use are worth considering. Pros: dual-function griddles, compact and portable, windproof design. Cons: lower heat output, requires adapter for butane. Which may lead to slower cooking times for larger meals. Overall, the Ogre 2-burner foldable camping stove is a solid mid-range option. At number 3, we have the Kofiard Propane 2-burner camping stove. This foldable design is ideal for family camping trips or small group outings, as it offers a spacious cooking surface that can comfortably fit 2 10-inch pans. With 17,000 BTUs of total heat output, this stove provides a good balance of power and efficiency, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. from simmering to searing. The build quality features high temperature-resistant steel and corrosion-resistant stainless steel burners, ensuring durability and long-term use. The included carrying bag makes transportation easy, and the built-in igniter allows for hassle-free ignition without the need for matches or lighters. One of the standout features is the precision heat control, which helps conserve propane and allows you to cook with accuracy. While the Cofiard stove is a well-rounded option, it's slightly bulkier compared to other models, and the price isn't always readily available, which could make it harder to compare value. That said, if you're looking for a reliable and durable two-burner option that can handle family-sized meals, this is a great pick. Pros: high heat output, durable construction, spacious cooking surface. Cons: slightly bulky, price not always available. Our runner-up is the Gas One GS3400P dual-fuel stove, an incredibly affordable and versatile option that's perfect for budget-conscious campers. What sets this stove apart is its dual-fuel compatibility. It can run on both propane and butane, giving you flexibility depending on fuel availability. With a compact design, a carrying case, and a lightweight build, it's easy to transport and store, making it ideal for car camping or emergency preparedness. The stove features an automatic piezo electric ignition system, so you don't need matches or lighters to get started. It also has built-in safety features, including a pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and a gas flow cutoff mechanism, giving you peace of mind during use. While the 8,000 BTUs of power may not be as high as some other stoves on this list, it's sufficient for basic cooking needs, like boiling water or frying up a quick breakfast. For under $30, the Gas One GS3400P offers exceptional value. It's a no-frills option that gets the job done without breaking the bank. However, it's best suited for solo campers or small groups, as the single burner may not provide enough cooking capacity for larger meals. Pros: dual fuel compatibility, lightweight and portable, budget-friendly. Cons: lower heat output, limited cooking capacity. Finally, at the top of our list is the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove, the gold standard for car camping stoves. This premium model boasts two independently adjustable burners with a combined output of 22,000 BTUs, making it one of the most powerful stoves in its class. The improved knob rotation allows for precise temperature control, whether you're simmering a sauce or searing a steak. Plus, included wind guards ensure reliable performance even in breezy conditions. The design is both robust and functional, featuring a durable, chrome-plated grate that's removable for easy cleaning. The heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed during transport, and the overall build quality is what you'd expect from a trusted brand like Coleman. It's large enough to fit a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan simultaneously, making it perfect for cooking for a family or group of friends. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $119.99, the Coleman Triton offers unparalleled performance, durability, and ease of use. If you're serious about car camping and want a stove that can handle any meal, this is the one to beat. Pros: high heat output, wind guards, excellent build quality. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy camping!